by that crunch, I think you can guess where we are. Wow, do you hear this crunch? This snow is so crunchy. It's like frozen over. But it's actually pretty, the path is pretty well like traveled, so it's pretty like dug in. But I am hiking Ampersand. You probably can't hear me over the crunch of the snow. But yeah, it's really, really nice out. It is cold. It's probably about 10 degrees. That's what it said in my car. So the summit is probably like 5. Oop, I think we're going on a ladder. But yeah, it's so pretty out. It is blue, endless blue skies. So yeah, and Ampersand is in Saranac Lake, New York. Are farther along the hike, probably say at least an hour in. It's definitely getting significantly steeper, but I knew that about this mountain, so it's no surprise. I had to take my snowshoes off. They were really annoying, so I'm just in my micro spikes, which aren't too bad. But yeah, Ampersand is about, so on the sign it said 2.7 miles to the top. I don't know if you can tell how steep that is, but that's how you know you're almost to the top. Actually, I think probably have like a mile left, because I remember the last mile was, it's like noon mark if you've ever done that. It's pretty steep. But I don't know if you can tell just how steep that is. Probably looks like nothing, but it is vertical. I don't know. So we just came up, but we are going, I believe, to that mountain. So since we can see the mountaintop, usually means we're almost there, even though that looks far away. It's probably about a mile away. But I don't know. That's my guess. It's still so pretty. I am the only one on this trail too. It's very, very peaceful. You can almost see the lake out there, Saranac Lake, but I don't think you can really see it on the camera, but oh, I think we're almost there. Wow, my nose is so runny right now. But we're almost there. Just look at that. I can see because the trees are starting to get smaller and there's no more like that like rock that I knew we had to go up, which is the top, because this is a rock top summit. Which I'm interested to see how the summit is. Like, I hope it's not too icy. But, whoo, this is so steep. Oh, just like noon mark. Like, it's literally like noon mark's last mile, but for like 2 miles, maybe a mile and a half. A little longer, but oh, can't wait to get to the top of this, because I know going down is gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a breeze. But going up, not so much fun right now. But it's all good. We're almost there. It's so pretty. How white the trees are. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I know I've said this probably about 3 times now, but we're definitely almost at the top. This this huge boulder, which I don't remember last time, but oh, look at all that blue sky. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we go beyond this. Wait, maybe I do remember this. Whoa. Oh wow. Yeah, I remember we have to go up this like, it's like a rock top, so I remember the last up part is the rock, so, but I don't remember all of this. But maybe I went a different way, I don't know. Maybe there's 2 ways to go to the top, or I probably just don't remember. But, whew, okay, it's so pretty. Okay, that opening is our summit. I'm so excited. It just got really cold all of a sudden, so that's why my mask is gone, or my mask is on. I'm gonna need all hands to climb this up, so I'm gonna get as much as I can, but I'm probably gonna have to put my camera away. But so pretty, that opening. That's our summit. Okay, I'm really glad because I just climbed up a part that I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get up, because in the summer you need a rope to get over it. But I just saw that people had gone a different way, so that's what I did. Still kind of tricky, but it's very doable, so yeah, almost there. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, we're almost there. Look at that. We're at the summit! Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. Well, technically that's the real summit, so I'll go in a second, but this is so beautiful. Oh my god. So pretty. We are at the top. Oh my gosh, it is cold. But so beautiful. Look at this. I'll try to zoom in. Look at that. Get to the summit now. Look at that. Now we are on the official summit of Ampersand and Saranac Lake. What a view.
Driving round with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away.
Wow, if you want to do some butt sliding, go to Ampersand. This is like probably my 10th slide. Literally, I'm just sliding the whole way down. Like, oh my god. This is epic. Oh my god. I think that was it for today. Oh my god. Ah, too fun, too fun. So much fun. Here's some more butt sliding for you. I had an epic one up there, but oh, this one should be good.
Hollywood